Hello, this is Shu from LED Signage. Today I'm going to make this tabletop neon sign for our customer Escargot Trading. Okay, so what we have over here, this is the LED neon flex. So it probably got its name from being very flexible. And LED neon, right, is compared to the traditional neon, is much more energy saving, okay, and it's also safer to use. Alright, so first we start off by measuring how much LED we need. Okay, so what we have done here is this is the sticker stencil. We have placed their logo on this 5mm thick acrylic panel. And for this design, right, we will have to have 1, 2, 3 joints. So I'm going to start from here and measure the head of this nail first. Okay, so over here is roughly where we need. So our neon flex, right, it comes in 1 inch joining. So you can see here, right, the black marks. These are where the cutting points are. And I would suggest to cut slightly longer, so in case, you can't do certain bands very well, at least you have extra. And cutting is very simple. Just use a pen knife, slice it. Piece of cake. Alright. So that's done. And I will start off by pasting this rib using the other end we have already soldered. So this, I need to solder this end. Okay. Yeah, so I've drilled 2 holes, one on top, one at the bottom. This is for the cables to go through the back. Then we'll do the connection of the cable behind the acrylic panel. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I continue with the gluing of the LED.